In this video, I'll show you how to add a free ChatGPT-powered chatbot to WordPress using AI Bot Kit.
So it claims to be an easy tool to install, and as you can see, it does show a few templates. Right now we are looking at a support agent template, and now it changed to a marketing agent template, and now we are seeing a sales agent template. So from here I can download the plugin, and most likely I'll be able to find it inside WordPress directly.
To confirm that this plugin uses ChatGPT, you can download the plugin's README file and check the details there.
So I downloaded the plugin and I opened the README file, and the first line says AI Bot Kit, AI Chatbot for WordPress, free no-code ChatGPT plugin. And this line also says add a smart GPT-powered AI chatbot to your WordPress site. And as you can see here, it also says AI Bot Kit helps you add smart ChatGPT-powered chatbot to your WordPress site. And it does also mention ChatGPT other places inside this file. For example, here, why use AI Bot Kit on your WordPress website? And it does answer powered by ChatGPT. So this plugin seems to be powered by ChatGPT.
So let me take you through the installation process.
So I'm now inside my WordPress website, and I'm coming down to plugins, add new plugin. And from here I can type AI Bot Kit. And as you can see, it comes up with the AI chatbot for WordPress. It says that you can install it in less than 2 minutes. And just to confirm, I can come to more details and plugin homepage, and it will take me directly to the plugin homepage. So what I'm going to do here is just hit install now, and it's installing, and it has been installed. So I'm going to activate it, and it just says build an AI chatbot in minutes, no coding required. And this side it says ready to create your first chatbot. Let's get started. I don't have an account yet, so I'm just going to hit let's get started. And now it obviously recognizes the website that we are on, and it says what should this chatbot's main purpose be? And it has several options there, like customer support agent, sales assistant, product expert, technical support, onboarding guide, frequently asked questions, booking, scheduling, lead qualifier, content guide, general assistant. In my case, I'm going to use frequently asked question assistant, and I'm just going to hit create my chatbot. So it's going through the website and it's getting some information, discovering pages, extracting content, detecting brand colors, checking platforms, and it says that my chatbot is ready. And as you can see, it says ask it anything about your site, and it does have 3 questions here. What is homeschooling forever? What is Home Life Academy? How much does it cost to enroll? And these are the questions that are here. So let me hit what is homeschooling forever, and it actually brings up the answer, which is a community that supports and guides families that want to homeschool their children. And I'm going to hit add to my website. It's free, so I'm just going to fill this information here. I'm just going to put an email and create a password and confirm the password, and choose create free account. In this section here, I just need to fill out this information, so I'm just going to put founder, CEO. I'm just going to put 2000 or plus here, and other. Just going to put internet and hit continue. And it says your chatbot is created. Confirm these details and take it live. Let me just go and hit activate my chatbot. So it says authentication required. I'm going to come over to this section that says AI bot, and I'm going to select create new bot. And as you can see, I'm on the free plan. I have 50 messages per month. So I'm just going to go through this information here. Bot name, I'm just going to leave AI assistant, or I can just put actually homeschooling forever. And what I'm going to do, time zone, I can choose my time zone. Let me see if it has something like GMT5. I'm just going to put GMT5. English language, I can actually select English or Spanish. I'm just going to go ahead and put Spanish here, and it will be the default language. I'm just going to hit next here. This section here, define how your chatbot should behave and respond. Basically, I have 3 options: professional, formal and business-like, friendly, warm and approachable. I'm just going to use this one. Next option is casual, relaxed and conversational. Let me just go ahead and hit next here. And from here, I can upload files to train my bot. I can just drag one here. So I'm just going to browse and find a quick file here, quick info. So I'm uploading this quick info file. It has been uploaded successfully. I'm going to hit done. Next, add website URLs to scrape content from. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to add a few of them. I'm just going to add one here, and it has detected several pages from my website. So what I'm just going to do is add a few of them here, and I'm just going to hit add selected pages, and I'm going to hit next. I'm going to leave this one blank, so I'm just going to hit next here. I already added Q&As in the pages, so I'm just going to hit next. So now I have to synchronize it with WordPress. I'm just going to hit add WordPress content, and I'm just going to add post. Just going to select all, add all post. I can also add pages. I'm just going to add a couple of pages here. Just going to hit next. And when I'm ready, I just have to hit next. And now I'm going to change the greeting message, and you can see it changes live here. Greeting message display in chat only, above chat icon, or above chat icon after delay. So you can check those options when you're ready. I'm just going to leave it as in chat only. And here I can add quick messages. So I'm just going to add one here, and the message is going to be how this education option works. I'm just going to add another one here. What is the cost for enrollment? And here I can change the fallback message, which means that I don't have the answer. Just going to leave it in English for now. And follow-up message, I can turn this on or off. I'm just going to leave it off. Input placeholder, I'm just going to change this to Spanish, and I'm just going to hit next. Now it comes up with the theme that I can use. By default, it shows this one. I can also change to this one or this one or this one. Let me just use the default theme, the default avatar, and the default widget icon and the primary column. I'm just going to leave everything as is. I'm just going to hit next. In this section here, I can either enable or disable the lead capture or the contact form. So for example, it says name, email, and phone number. I can actually remove that if I want. In this case, I'm just going to remove it. I can enable it later. And these options you can also modify. I'm just going to go ahead and hit next here. And this option is pretty cool. It says to configure when and how to escalate conversations to human support. So basically they can fill a form or they can send it via email. I'm just going to hit next here. Email notifications. I can always come back and configure that. Let me just go ahead and hit next. Webhooks. Trigger action based on user interactions. Let me just go ahead and leave all of that and hit next here. Publish. Make sure the chatbot is available. And it says your chatbot is live and responding to visitors. So let me just go ahead and save the chatbot. So here's my chatbot, and the next step seems to be that I will need to activate it. I did receive this email that my bot was created, and it does have a publish and embed now button. And when I touch that, I entered my dashboard. So from my dashboard, I just hit copy code. And from here, I have this code that in theory, I have to enter into the header file on my website. So I'm just going to copy this code, and back to WordPress, I will go down to appearance, theme file editor. And you just want to be careful by doing this. What you'll have to do is actually go to your footer PHP, and what I will do is I will just position myself here in line number 34, and I'm just going to paste that code there and hit update file, and I'll go back to my plugins and just clear the cache again. So I just search for plugins, install plugins, and from here I will just search for my WP Rocket plugin and choose clear and preload cache. And from a clean browser, I'm just going to enter my site, and as you can see, it did come up with the chatbot on the lower left corner. I'm just going to touch that here, and as you can see, it says it gives the message that I entered previously. And I'm just going to touch this option here, this quick question, and it's searching on my website, and it's thinking, and it should come back with some information here. So as you can see, it did come up with information, and this means that the AI chatbot has been successfully installed on my website.
So, as you can see, that is how you install a free ChatGPT-powered chatbot on WordPress using AI Bot Kit. But now, stay with me to watch more videos about WordPress chat solutions.